Hello. My name is Menzi Mkwanza, and welcome back to another YouTube video, the behind the scenes of any Words of My Mouth event slash open mic. More specifically for INNIBOS this time, because we had a lot of equipment to travel with to the venue, and I am with Jabulani from Pechugufa, and we are literally rolling out, trying to get to the INNIBOS poetry session. Oh, there it is. That's the INNIBOS festival grounds, but we're going to our own venue. But however, we are just trying to get to the venue very quickly and try to set up before the whole open mic session starts. So what we usually do, we try to set up very early, and this is our venue at 4:20. We like to set up around about 4 hours before the actual event starts, so that we can do sound checks and get everything ready and get the team properly organized. This is just me showing you guys the major equipment that we had for this specific event. And yes, the mixer, the main mixer, digital mixer, like this is advanced. We even had a Wi-Fi dongle just to sync up everything that was connected to this tablet, so that we make sure that our event runs smoothly and it is well connected remotely. There is Jabulani again, and this is just me showing you like halfway throughout the setup of what we did. And this is how it looks like. I know it looks a lot messy, but we are going to clear this out. And yeah, it's a special event. Once again, as I said, it's an open mic. And yeah, we're just trying to make sure that everything is proper. Everything sounds good, tripods and everything, We're trying to literally set up for a professional setting so that we run things very smoothly. Once again, this is just the stage setup together with the mic, bit by bit, and then there is some sound check. That's Pills doing some sound check right there. And yeah, so once again, we are trying to do some more sound check, and then just before the show, we're just like having lad banter, and this is a performance that I performed. So yeah, if you guys just want to quickly listen to this poem that I wrote for my girl Nolwazi Arngomane, you're more than welcome to listen. Basically, I'm just trying to do an intro here, and listen to this poem.
Drinking wine straight from the bottle, our drunken thoughts now suppressed by sober feelings. Every time I try to kiss her, there's an awkward moment of hesitation. I'm gonna do it. Okay? Or not? Okay? Or not? Okay or not? I refuse to kiss her without consent and with two witnesses around. The darkness around her eyes is a testament of how she paid to keep mine open. I've never thanked you for keeping your eyes open during the shut players of our lips. Time is a counterfeit between your teeth. Conversations tick-tock around the assonance around the clock. The bass clef of your laugh fills the ambiance of the room with joy, which is to say, music comes from different instruments too. I hold your laugh like a broken joke, waiting to be cracked. What has a joke done that a lover has not? Haven't you screamed to the top of your voice, your throat being held up by a baritone? And hasn't this joke tossed up your pain and held up by the weight of your tears? Am I not always the ridicule? Am I not always the trouble of the heartbeat? Am I not the joke that's always sidelined? One, when things get serious, she leaves. Two, isn't that the joke? How seriously we love and the aim to have fun? Three, Muscle Ham is a time
Kind of got emotional there at the end of that poem, because man, yeah, it really took a lot out of me. Because sometimes, guys, when you perform poetry, it literally takes you to another world and another dimension. And like, damn, I actually am a good writer, and I'm actually a really great performer, and a person who can articulate these words. And then here, this was at the end of the show, we had my man, my boy, Pressure, closing out the show as usual. I'm sure, dude, this guy is probably the best rapper in Nelspruit. I guarantee that. Please listen to his music. It was really such an amazing experience to have him on the Words of My Mouth stage once again. This was such a well put together open mic. So guys, if you want to see more of what we do, the name of the business is Words in My Mouth Poetry. So please like and subscribe on their YouTube channel, and you will see such beautiful content. This is basically a platform where not straight artists and creatives gather together. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one.